JobNimbus has been able to help us move efficiently and save us a lot of time and money. My name is Kaya and I am the CTO at Northland Fence. We install residential fencing, so vinyl privacy, chain link, and ornamental steel. About 100 employees across a couple different locations, installing a variety of different fences within Minnesota. A couple challenges we had at Northland was finding a system that was all-encompassing, a system that we could do payments from, sign documents, just helping that efficiency from department to department. Using JobNimbus tasks, we have been able to save a whole bunch of time. Previous, we were waiting for paperwork to come in from our installers at the end of the day, or getting a picture or email of it, and it was just not efficient. The challenges had such a big impact on our business because our old system was so convoluted. We were dealing with a lot of paperwork, bouncing around in different apps or different browsers. Payments were always a problem. Whether we weren't hearing from the customer, we had to go to the property to pick up the check. It just was not efficient and we could not work very smoothly. We decided to use JobNimbus over all the other CRMs or solutions out there because of the customization that it had, the tasking. I could see that it was going to work well within our sales department and also our installers being able to leave notes directly in the files for us and do kind of part of the work. All the different features that it had was just so much more beneficial to the other products or options that we saw on the market. One feature that was huge for our business was the payments. Not having to go into different applications to send the invoice, collect the payment. We could do it seamlessly through one area and then get that money pretty rapidly too with how JobNimbus has been making improvements. Using the payments, next day funding especially, we're able to shave probably 10 minutes off of closing a job, which has been a huge game changer for our company. Since implementing automations, we've been able to email people, follow up with customers a lot more efficiently, and provide a better customer experience because of the system just doing things for us. We still get notified if things happen, but they are just getting that constant communication without us having to actually make direct contact with them. With the boards feature, we've been able to eliminate majority of the paper that we're using within our office. Following up with customers, they just move from column to column. And the little day timer is super nice because after 7 days, 5 days, whatever it is, we know that we need to follow up with the homeowner, see if they're ready to move forward. Our installers out in the field, once they get those measurements, they input them into a work order, and then that work order goes directly onto the board. So our shops can just work simultaneously on what's coming in, finishing things, staying on top of what happens. With JobNimbus, it was super easy to get our staff on board. It was very easy for them to pick up on it. It's very straightforward, simple, and creating procedures and processes for them to follow along with it definitely helped too. One of the biggest things after using JobNimbus has been saving time. We've been able to shred off hours of our day and week with the different processes and systems that it offers our company when it comes to payment, tasking our employees. We've been able to incorporate more of our team into the process, so we've got a better culture. People are more on board with our mission, what we're working toward. And the communication within our departments has just exceeded expectation. We've been able to really cut down on the amount of time it takes to sell a job. With our previous CRM systems, we weren't able to really get a lot of data, where JobNimbus has really great reporting and insight features. So we're able to forecast, make better decisions, and kind of see where we're standing at with the year. So it's been super beneficial for us and our CEO moving forward and trying to make decisions for the future. It's been able to alleviate some of the stressors that we felt before, but then also allow us to see some of the things that we should work on, that we should be more tactful with. It's been an amazing journey so far, and I can only see it getting better with how our installers are using it to how our estimators are using it. From start to finish, JobNimbus is incorporated throughout our business, and it's been a game changer.